Hi everyone, and welcome to the Unity Concord Notorious Monster Fight. I have received some great feedback and I will start to incorporate this in my videos. Many of those additions are right here. I am in Bibiki Bay and the mob is level 119, Eft named Intuila. Unity NPC wraps you to I6 and the mob can be fought at I6, G8 or H10. The closest is obviously I6. It drops into Ila height, which a single ranges from 5k to 20k and stack ranges from 100k to 300k across all the servers. 50 are needed to upgrade the NQ gear to HQ, and I also use to spawn Odyssey version of the map and for crafting. It also drops Assiduity pants, which are a good piece for summoner, especially with their arguments of avatar accuracy and magic accuracy plus 35, plus 20 to all avatar based stats, and MP plus 20. It also drops Nourishing Earring, which is great for PLD and White Mage, in Cure Casting Gear Swap that can be augmented to offer plus 15 and resist silence and spell interruption rate of minus 5%. It might also be a good idea to get the NQ and HQ version of that earring. The mob is very dangerous. It can do 1200 plus AoE attack called Cyclotail and cast Curaga V very frequently, and its frequency increases with low HP. It can be silenced, but it builds up resistance to silence, so maybe it's good to silence it towards the end when Curagas are very frequent. It is also susceptible to ice attack. So I'm gonna do that fight twice. The first one I'm gonna do it with my typical gear, with gear swapping and everything. And my second fight I would just do it with Unity and Ambuscade gear. So let me just show you quickly what I'm wearing. I have a turret in my main hand, skin flare in my offhand, Cetic Bumblet +1. Then I have the Ademir +1 set all across head, body, hands, feet, which I just, legs, which I just recently got, and feet. I'm using Assassin Goggles +2. A bunny earring, Raider's earring, a Pona's ring, or warp ring's not gonna work here, but I'm gonna swap this after that. And Tortoise cape and Kentrak belt. Alright, and I'm going as Thief Ninja. Let's pop in some shadows. And my chest setup is I'm Chuchu tank, Asiela 1 support, Yoahim support, Korumoru support, and Aparuru my healer. Alright, let's get to the zone. It looks tiny, but don't let that size fool you. Okay, so it's Manchuchu is not keeping the hit well. Let me do a sneak attack. Alright. Now I'm gonna do trick attack. Oh wow, I got stunned. Gonna build it up to about 2000, or let's go 3000. Let's do a trick attack of Amchuchu. Get it down to 10%. Let's see if we can do a darkness and finish him off. Okay, so with my base thief, it became very easy. Now let's do the style lock off. Lock style off. Alright, so let's pop in some Ambu gear, so and Unity. So I'm gonna use Jugo Kukri +1. Jugo Kukri in my offhand. I'm gonna swap for Mamu set basically. Mamu +2 all across. Okay, let's swap the torque for Sanctity necklace. No, let's use something yeah, let's use the Loricete torque. So let's get the earrings out. Let's see, I'm trying to relate as much as possible to you guys. Okay, so this is it. So I have a Jugo Kukri +1, Jugo Kukri, Seeding Bumblet +1, Pixie Earring. Let's swap Pixie Earring also with something something Ambu related. Okay. So be consistent. Okay. Areta de Luna +1, Apathy Earring. Let's change that too. Let's get the ring that goes with the set. Oh, Mumbu ring. Okay, I got it. Yeah, and then another. Oh, this one is MP. So let's pick another ring. Another Ambu ring. Okay. So I swapped the Meghanda ring I have and Memu ring. Okay, I'm not gonna do any macros. Everything's gonna be by hand, so you guys can relate. So let's call Utsemi. Let's see how this is gonna work. All right, let's go. That Kukri is very fast. It's gonna be very difficult to do Sata, but let's see. Well, that's not gonna work. The weapon skill. Let's do Rudra Storm. What I might end up doing is actually like create macro sets just for without any gear swapping for this kind of setup. But let's see if I'm so gimped, if I can do anything. Just spam evisceration. I'm denting him, but still yeah, he's getting beaten. Alright guys, so there it is, you know. 2 fights, one well geared, the other one okay geared. So there it is. Thank you so much for watching. All the best. Bye bye.